Hi all and welcome to your channel at Dr. Jasmine. Our today's school is school number 12 for the CAAPID program application requirements. The school is NOAA Southwestern University College of Dentistry. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only and is not an official advice. Please always make sure, this is a sincere request, that you visit the school website and the CAAPID application website for new and most updated details. We do our best, but sometimes things get updated after the video has been published. The program is called NOAA Southeastern University School of Dental Medicine. It's located in Fort Lauderdale in Florida, and the degree awarded is a DMD. The website is dental.nova.edu. The program start date is April 20th, 2026. It's a 39-month program, and the program size is approximately 35. The application opens March 6, 2025, and the application deadline is June 13, 2025. There is a supplemental application and a supplemental application fees. The school accepts NBDE 1 and 2 or an INBDE. TOEFL is required with a minimum score of 80. There's no requirement for GRE or ADAT, but there is a bench test, and the school accepts either an ECE or a WES evaluation. 3 letters of evaluation are accepted by the school. The school does sponsor an I-20, and citizens and green card holders are welcome to apply. The school requires a TOEFL with a minimum score of 80. Will also consider IELTS with a score of 6.0 or a Pearson test of English academic with a score of 54. Here is a link to the program finder, programs.adia.org/CAAPID/programs, and also a link to the application cycle. Please make sure you're always visiting these 2 websites. Kindly connect with us, like, share, and subscribe your channel, youtube.com/Dr. Jasmine, and also join us on Facebook for daily updates. Take care, wish you all the best for your exam, and please leave any comments below so we can make our videos more educational for you. Bye for now. Take care.